Welcome to the all-new Nissan Z. Well, it's not all new, but it does look absolutely stunning. It's based on a modified version of the old 370Z platform, wrapped up in a fresh new body with a vastly updated interior. Today we're testing both the manual and automatic. This beautiful blue example is the auto, complete with the $1,200 black contrast roof option. From any angle, you'd have to agree, Nissan designers have done a superb job of not only creating a modern Z sports car, but also incorporated a balanced blend of heritage in some of the details, such as with these exquisite horizontal taillights, which hark back to the 370ZX of the late 1980s. The new model remains rear-wheel drive, as it should, but unfortunately it does not feature adaptive dampers. As a result, the ride is very comfortable when you're cruising, but we'd like the option to tie it down a bit more during sporty driving. It does come standard with a limited slip differential though. It also comes with staggered tyre sizes front and rear, with two 55/40s on the front and two 75/35s on the back. Traction can be an issue if you're quite aggressive with the throttle, but that's mainly because this engine produces a lot of power. Aside from wearing a sinister black paint job, the manual is virtually identical to the auto in terms of specification. However, it is about 30 kilograms lighter, but that's not really going to have a big impact on performance. Inside, Nissan offers either a two-tone red and black interior theme, or straight black. This manual obviously shows off the two-tone package, which certainly adds some excitement and character to the decor. It's unfortunate Nissan hasn't really provided a nice new touchscreen system. It's an okay setup, but for a fresh new model like this, we'd expect the latest and greatest from Nissan. The cabin is appropriately intimate and sporty, with a very low and hunkered down seating position. Headroom isn't too bad, but you do have to fiddle around with the seat adjustment for a while to get really settled in. The seat controls are also in an annoying spot, on the inside of the seat tucked between the center console. The auto model showcases the monotone black interior package. This is the setup you go for if you like to fly under the radar and surround yourself in a more relaxed and calm environment. It is a little bit bland though, especially compared with the exterior. Both transmission options are paired to the same VR30 3-litre twin-turbo V6 engine. It's not an all-new engine, finding service in Infiniti models from around 5 years ago, but it is a fantastic unit. Huge power and lots of low-down torque, and it's really refined as well. You can hear there is a nice soundtrack in there too, although a bimodal muffler or an aftermarket system would no doubt bring out the most of it. Performance is exceptional, especially with the automatic. This is what they go like. tried really hard with the manual, running 16 tests with the V-Box, trying out various takeoff methods. Figures shown were our best result from this particular test car, based on runs from 2 different days of testing.